Today I'm going to show you how to make folded fall leaves. Grab some scrapbook paper and let's get started. You can use any kind of paper for this craft. This is a piece of 12 by 12 patterned paper. Fold it in half. If you have a regular sheet, you need to do this the hamburger way, not the hot dog way. Then draw this shape onto one side. Don't worry, I've got a printable template for you. It's linked below. Cut along the line you drew, making sure to cut through both layers of paper. Then open the paper up flat and make score lines all the way across. This is a paper cutter with a scoring attachment. You don't need a special tool to do this, but it does make it easier. Accordion fold starting on the long flat edge. Add some glue and bring those two long sides together in the middle. Then this bottom part likes to come unfolded, so I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue in between all the layers to tack them down. And on the back too. And then look, your leaf is all done. Isn't that cool? You can use these leaves to make a wreath or a bouquet, or turn them into a festive garland. Tons of different things you can do with them. As always, deets on my site. See you, love you, bye!